I am. Yeah. I'm so loud. Okay, we need a new food. We only have 3. Wait, only 6. We need food. Not too loud. Okay, we need food. We need some foodos. Get some food. Get a foodo. I gotta get a little fry. We're close, so we gotta do this. We're close. We're close. Close, we just need... Oh. Okay, now we can... See what we have today. Oh, what is this? Cranberry. Is there any cutscenes? No, but we're close. Burgers. That sucks. I didn't get any more. No, thank you. I am full. Okay. I will get a lot of coins from this. I just know it. I know I will get a lot of coins. I will get a lot of coins. Oh, chests. Okay, let's go to level 6. Here we go, hot dogs. Oh, a hot dog. We got a hot dog. Oh, okay, now we have a cutscene to say. Also with this. I have arrived. Whoa, where do you come from? Agreed. The other side of this flat world. Earth. The Earth isn't flat. Maybe it is. I don't know. Seems pretty fat to me. I agree with this watermelon guy. It feels like a... Don't joke around like that. I believe you. No harm knowing the truth. Well, we don't know the truth, alright? I both when you have more kinds of food. I wish it was more cloudy today. Why? Because it's too hot, dog. Wow. That's a bad joke. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, okay, look. Feel that. Okay, had ears. Since you were just in the ocean, I need to ask you something. Did you happen to see any knives? What? Why would there be knives in the ocean? Yeah, I agree with this hot dog. I think they fell out of my cafe when I was down there. They were good knives, and it's you talking about the shovels? Oh wait, this is another shovel. Oh, I didn't get it. I didn't get a shovel. But I got some food. Okay, this is worth it. Getting food. But look, for level 7, we need to upgrade, so I'll look for you back. Wait, I've been recording the whole time? Please don't tell me I've been... Oh! Whoa, I got a lot of coins. Okay, I've got garlic. Burger. Well, okay, eat. Oh, chest, Okay, can we double the chest? Oh, no, we can't. Damn. That kind of sushi poo-poo. I can't smell the poo-poo out of me. Oh, what is this? A hot dog. Oh, it's a potato. Oh, it's a potatoes. But you've discovered enough foods to go to the farm. Hey, that's my farm. Well, it used to be my farm. I haven't checked it on since I fell into the ocean. Everything probably died. Oh well, that's life. You'll probably have to rebuild it from scratch. What is scratch? I don't know. I don't. Anyways, what? It's all yours now. Watch some ads if you can. Boo ads. Boo. I hate potato. This game's so weird. What do you mean? Why is there even food in the ocean? Makes no sense. You got a point. And all the foods eat each other. What's up with that? I can't do anything about it. Why not you? I'm just a spectator. Why do I keep hearing jokes in the game? Just why? Okay, now I have a shovel. Okay, let's just continue collecting stuff. Oh, no, I can't pay for level 10, I mean. I can't pay for that. But I can pay for this. In upper stuff. Okay. I will need... Okay, this is good to avoid. I barely get any food, so I should avoid it. No! Why do I keep not avoiding food? I guess food is life. No, you should not go. No. Oh, wait, Oh, wait! Oh, I did it! Let's go again. Yeah, no. Oh, okay, I missed the shovel. Oh, wait, is that sushi as the wall? Something? That's sushi? Is that sushi? Sushi? Shashi baka. A sushi? Sushi? On the wall? Wow. It's all your fault, food. Now I got the chest open in my mood. Okay, that's a very bad joke. No, thank you. I have enough. Oh, now it's donuts. Oh, now it's sushi. Whoa, I think I should get some ads. There we go. Oh. Whoa, we're so close to it. Let's just save. Oh, chest. Okay, let's try not to get food, but only... No, I was so close. Okay, we're so close to level 9. Double levels. No. Sheesh. I hope level 9... Okay, good, it got cheap. I thought it was... Oh, we got... Whatever this is. Oh, it's probably butter. Yep, it's... Okay, I'm dumb. You should never trust a dumb person. Because they don't know anything. Yeah. No, thank you. I will just go press an ad. Don't mind that. I always do this. But I do it for money. Wait, not for my level. I have to do this for my level so we can get rich. And money isn't life. So yeah. Whoa! We're close, bruh. But we can get some more money if we like. Oh, okay. You want me to... Yeah, I know. Oh, cheddar cheese? Or is that cheese? I don't know. It's cheese. Yeah, it's cheese. Cringe. You so observant. What's wrong? I'm just tired of living this game. Well, it's blame the creator of this game. And blame for me for play this game when watching you suffer. Well, it's always the same puns over and over. You got a point, because these puns suck. Cheese. I'm one more time, I'm gonna say cheese. What are you doing this to me? This is so myself. No way. Me so sad, I'm sorry. Yeah, I see it. It's actually made of my tears. It's actually made of my tears. Oh. Yeah, we will. Okay, cheese. Okay, we can get some sushi. A shishi. A shishi. I'm gonna sell it for a level 11 because it is worth it. Oh, it's a butcher knife. How exciting. Oh my gosh. It just killed the burger. How would you do that? That's my favorite. You little muffin. Oh. Whoa. Oh my. Somebody call 911. Or do CPR. Can't believe you found my knife. Yet again, this cat is again heartless. But if I put my... Yeah, finally. Because I like you. Yet so cool, yet so heartless. What a cat. Can't believe he's so heartless. Can't believe he's heartless. He's so heartless, bruh. Like, I'm not kidding. He doesn't even know what life is. Whoa! That is worth it. I should get more portal. Okay, don't mind that ad because it's cringe. Yay! No, thank you. Oh wait, I have 6. Great. Okay, yay! I have 6 now, so I can do anything I like. Please don't tell me you can't. They always do. Okay, what's the next? Is this boiled eggs, or is it some onion thing? I don't know. Oh, passion fruit. I never heard of you. Welcome though. Oh. I haven't updated my foods in a while. I mean my food catching, how much I can get. I haven't updated in a while, but it's fine. I was update, so there we go. What's our new? Oh, bread. Bread. Oh no, I missed the chest. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Bread has something to say. Bread. When it gets cold, I turn it into bread. I heard of cringe jokes, but oh. Okay, let's not ruin this guy's life, and we're doing it because we're nice. We're good one. Thanks. Okay, it's kind of the jokes never get stale, and I never stop getting annoyed by stealing fruits from the ocean and making them eat it. Fruits. I'm not gonna update my food forever. Why? No reason. I am doing it so I can save. I can go into level 14 or something. Or 13, I don't know. Okay, there. Okay, now. This is where the... Oh, what is this? So cute. Oh, a lychee. Tell me how do you guys spell lychee or lychee? Tell me. Who are you? Who are... You wanted. Sounds fun. I always wanted to combine fries and milkshake. I mean ice cream. Okay. It's my anyways, tap on the my boat to go to the mess area. Okay, first was the cat, orange cat, okay, cat number 2, and then next was the chest, and then now it's the watermelon who knows that we're in a game. Wow. Nice. Anyways, bye.